Hi everyone. I have Happy Mail and I am excited to share it with you because it came from my Yarny Bestie Pricilla over at Distinctively Handcrafted. So if you'd like to see what Priscilla sent to me, then please grab a drink, grab a snack, and come on and hang out with me for a bit, okay? Hold on for a moment. Hi everyone. Welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I am Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. If you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. I have Happy Mail. Priscilla sent Happy Mail for the hats and warm wearables for those in need. And I am so excited that I received this some time ago, but I wasn't at home. And now I am back. So I'd like to share it with you. All right. So let's take a look and see what Priscilla sent to me. All right, so here is the package, and let's go ahead and get it open. I am back. So I have the package opened. So let's see what we have inside. There is a note, so I'm going to read it. Hold on for a moment. Oh, this is awesome. And yes, Priscilla, I think that this is a wonderful idea, and I just may actually do the same. And it definitely will help to be prepared. All right. So I won't spill the beans on what Priscilla suggested. I will let her, if she wants to talk about it, or maybe later I'll come back and tell you what she said once I've checked in with her. Okay. All right. But I think this is a wonderful idea. Okay. So let's take a look. I know it's going to be beautiful. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have some beautiful beanies. Here's one right here. Look at that. I love the texture in it. Beautiful. All right. And then here's another. Look at that. I love that one as well with the color work. Okay, awesome. And here's another one in a different color. So this one was in a black and green, and then this one is in like a eggplant purple green and green. All right, beautiful. And here's another one in a tan and black. All right. And look at this one. Beautiful texture. And these feel so great. I know they're going to keep the recipients nice and warm. And look at this texture here. Awesome. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. These are so beautiful. Thank you so much for sending these. These are going to help so much in my quest to try to help those who need them. All right. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you. They're beautiful. So beautiful. All right. Okay, so that's all I have for today. I was trying to make this video short and it's long overdue, and I have to hurry up and get these to the people that need them because I have a deadline to meet. So I'm not going to belabor the point for this video. I just want to say thank you so much. Everything is just awesome. Those who are watching the videos and giving a thumbs up, those who are cheering on and support. Everything helps so much. All right. And I'm hoping that I'll be able to do more on next year to help more people because, there's always someone who needs, and sometimes we may find ourselves in need. So I think in being giving and loving and sharing is the way to go. Because you just never know, you never know what's around the corner for any of us. All right. So that's all I have for today. So please do everything you can to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health, and by all means, continue to be crafty every day. Share your gifts, be inspiring, and be inspired. I look forward to seeing you again in one of my videos or one of yours. Bye bye now.